How to connect Phantom Wallet to GMGN. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, you could actually easily connect your Phantom Wallet with GMGN. So when you first visit your GMGN, it's actually going to prompt you to log in. So the way you log in is if you connect your Telegram over here, which will allow you to connect through the Telegram and then allow you to use its different features. But if you want to connect your Phantom Wallet, that you're going to choose is click on sign in with wallet over here. And you can see here, you will see our different wallet options. Simply select Phantom over here as your option. And of course, you have to be on, or it's not letting me access it right now, but that's how you will be able to connect your Phantom Wallet. It would be better if you're on your mobile where you could access your Phantom app. It will typically just require you to log in with your Phantom, or inside of your Phantom, you will have some private keys that you have. That might be a recommended or a required option for you to be able to connect your wallet or your Phantom wallet with your GMGN. So that's basically how you will be able to connect your wallet with GMGN. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.